Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the market outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty, how the trade setup we can plan, and the logic behind that. And let's start with Nifty. So Nifty, monthly chart, and we can clearly see Nifty is in a downtrend. There is no positive candle for last 3 months. Continuously, we are falling down. Last month we went till 15,200, and then we recovered and we closed around 15,800 range. So this is a zone where it gets support, strong support. Let's put a support zone here. You can see 15,800 for last almost 4 months we are taking support in this zone. We went almost near to this zone and we went back. We made a good rally, and then in last 3 months we tested multiple times, and we are not able to close below the 15,750, 15,800 level in the monthly time frame, which is one good sign, but still there is no positive momentum picked up in the monthly time frame. Let's look at weekly. In weekly, we can see again this already broken. This level is already broken, and then we retested this level, and right now we have closed exactly around the same range, 15,750. So it's kind of no trade zone, I would say. Both bulls and bears are now giving a very tough fight. Tug of war is going on between bulls and bears. So market is very volatile and a lot of uncertainties. Starting from this year, we had multiple issues: Russia-Ukraine war, and then now the inflation is very weak in US especially, and the Fed is increasing the rate high. So all these things are driving the negative sentiment, and we are exactly closed in the support zone near this action zone. So there is no clear direction. We need to wait. If in case we are going below 15,200, then the next support we have only at 14,200, right? So this will be the next support zone, and for that we need a close below 15,200. And this is for the bears, right? So we need a strong closing below this level for further downside movement. And for the bulls, it is going to be again, first they have to move, they have to consolidate, or they have to move higher levels. And the first strong resistance will come around 16,200, because that is the gap we have. There is a huge gap. So this will be a strong resistance zone. And so we need like a close above this for further up move on the in the short term, in the medium term. And then the next resistance will be around 16,800 level. So these are the levels to look out for the next month, I would say, not for week. For week wise, for the coming week, this will be the first resistance. Very strong resistance it will be, because there is a huge gap. Gaps usually will be very strong. So 16,200, and at the bottom 15,200. So this is going to be the range for the coming week, and we were roaming in this level for almost 3 weeks. So there might be some definitely there might be some action in near future. So let me remove the other two lines, which is for the positional for the month view. So for the coming week, this will be the zone 16,200 and 15,200 will be the area to focus. Now let's move to 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame now, and let me draw the resistance lines. In fact, it's kind of zone. Okay, so this is going to be the resistance zone and the parallel channel wise, and we will have this trend line resistance also. So this is going to be very hard zone for Nifty, 15,850, and on the support wise, we will have the first support near 15,500, and then if we break that, then we will see market moving towards 15,350, and then the next level of support will be around 15,200. And on the higher level, if in case we close above 15,850, then we will have 950 range. We can see, right? So this is for the coming week we can expect. So it cannot like immediately straight away it cannot break. I don't think that will happen. So we might see some consolidation in this zone before we give a breakout. If we have a positive momentum, so definitely we can expect some consolidation in this zone of 15,800 to 950 zone. Let me clear out. So between this 850 to 900, we will see some consolidation, and then we can expect a breakout on the higher side, and we can expect 16,200. We have a very good strong resistance because we have a gap near that range. So the trade plan is once we give a breakout above this 850 level, I will start selling the 800 call put option. I will start selling, and then I will try to hold till the expiry, because we can expect good decay in these 15,800 700 put options. So I will start selling the put options of 15,800 15,700 once it gives a breakout and stays in this level. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. So I mean, Bank Nifty is a monthly chart, and we have in this strong support zone, and we can see multiple times again here also we tested 1 2. So on the in the month of March we tested, and we tried in the month of May also almost near, and we gave a very good pullback, and then the last month also. So it tested multiple times, and so this is very good. Again, this is very good support in Bank Nifty, which is around 32,000. And this month we can expect, the whole month we can expect Bank Nifty to trade between 32,000 32,000 to 36,000. This could be the range. It cannot happen like straight away we are no, we are going beyond this in this month itself. So definitely we will see some resistance in this month. We will see some resistance here, and there will be some support. But we tested multiple times. If there is a breakdown, then we will see further more fall. And the higher side, we will see 36,000, and the lower side 32,000. So this could be the range for the whole month. And let's look at weekly chart. I'm in Bank Nifty's weekly chart, and so there are few things we have to observe here. There is a pattern formation of head and shoulder also. To my eyes, it looks like a head and shoulder. We need confirmation, right? So if any consolidation, and if we don't give a breakout, it has the risk of breaking this in the upcoming weeks. This is a weekly chart, so it is not going to happen in coming week. So this on a long term, I'm saying like this looks like a head and shoulder pattern. So we might consolidate, and then further we can see some breakdown. Okay, for the coming week, again similar to Nifty, there is a gap filling needs to be done, and but better than Nifty, way above the support zone. And the next support could be around 34,500 level, where we will see some, definitely will see some resistance. After filling this gap, we need to see whether it is hitting the resistance and coming back, or it is facing the resistance and consolidating here. We need to see in the coming weeks. So for the upcoming week, very first thing what we need to understand is 34,500 to 32,500 could be the range we need to focus. 32,300 to 34,500. This could be the range we need to look for trading opportunities. And let's go to the 15 minutes. Okay, I'm in Bank Nifty's 15 minutes chart, and we can see it. It is already broken the resistance trend line and retested, and it is looking strong. For the coming week, we need to see how we are seeing the price action. So the first level of resistance we could see around 34,150 levels, and then 34,500, 400 to 500 levels, right? So so we need. I think it looks like positive as per the Friday's price action, because multiple times, right, we can see it tried breaking, but there is a very good accumulation happened around 33,200 levels. So, and we broke this trend line. So hopefully coming week should be on the positive side, and we can expect 14,400 to 500 zones to be tested, and that is where we need to see the next steps, whether we are consolidating in this range after achieving here, or and then breaking, or it is reversing from here. So that we need to see, because the downside movement looks like it is not complete yet, right? So we might see some pullbacks, rally, and then we might go down. Or if the trend is, overall trend is itself changing, then we should see consolidation and then go to this level, or breakout and then consolidate here and further move up. So most probably we might see a move towards 34,400 in this zone, and then we need to see how we are performing from there. But in case there is a gap down, if there is any gap down opening, looking at the SGX Nifty, it is like almost 90 points plus, I think. But we never know. Tomorrow, Monday morning, if we need to see how it is opening. But if there is any gap below this trend line, maybe somewhere around this 33,400, 300 zone, and then it will be like very high probability of reaching the lows of this level, 32, 200, 300 zones. So if we open positive, flat, or a minor gap up, then I don't think it will give any, negative side movements. Most likely will consolidate and then move on the higher side, 34,400 range. But if only risk is when we open gap down, that too with good gap down of 200, 300 points. If that happens, then it is we have a very, very high probability of moving towards this target in the coming week. Right, this is for the weekly target. Let's see how we are opening, and then based on that we need to take a call. And so for daily, during the market hours, I give update in the Telegram channel as well. If you are interested, please join the Telegram group. I have given the Telegram link in the description. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, please make sure to subscribe, so that you will get the learning videos also, and then the market outlook videos, which might be useful for you. And if you like the content, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.